When traveling internationally for business or leisure, unexpected illnesses or injury can occur. Medical care abroad can be expensive, and many providers require payment up front. Without proper coverage, a medical emergency can result in significant financial strain. Travel health insurance helps protect you from unexpected medical expenses while you're away from home. What is travel health insurance? Travel health insurance provides coverage for medical expenses incurred outside your home country. Depending on the policy, coverage may include emergency medical treatment, hospital stays, medical transportation, or evacuation. Do I really need it? Before purchasing a policy, review your current coverage. Some health insurance plans offer limited international coverage. Medicare does not cover medical care outside the United States. Some credit cards provide limited travel medical benefits. If your coverage is limited or non-existent, additional travel health insurance may be worth considering. Countries that may require proof of insurance. Some destinations require proof of health insurance for entry, including Cuba, United Arab Emirates, Antarctica. Type of travel health insurance. Short-term coverage covers a specific trip, typically up to 6 months. Long-term coverage, designed for extended travel lasting several months or longer. Medical evacuation insurance covers emergency transportation, such as air ambulances, especially important for remote destinations. How to choose the right policy. When comparing policies, consider comprehensive medical and emergency coverage, coverage for pre-existing conditions if applicable, provider networks in your destination, policy exclusions or activity limitations, access to 24/7 customer support. Final thought. Every minor medical issue abroad can result in major expenses. Travel health insurance provides peace of mind and financial protection, so you can focus on your trip, not the risks. Thank you for your time. If we can be of help, reach out.